Alright, here's your July audio check. I guess talk about the trip you just came from. Judah.
We came from
Your name Judah?
Judah.
Judah, run your mouth. One sentence. Best thing you did on your trip. Go.
We just went to Orlando, and the best thing I did was
Stop sounding stupid now. Come on, talk.
was going to pool.
Alright. Nelson.
Yes.
The game room.
Game room.
This is not just Orlando. This is the whole thing. We just been gone 3 weeks. Isaiah.
When we was at Canada. When we was at Canada, we got to sleep there. That's it. And we got to go to the pool. And we gotta go to the French. And we gotta go to the other pool. And we gotta go
What's so funny?
What else, Solomon?
I ain't laughing at you.
I agree.
He said a pool. Then a pool. Then a pool. He said because then we went to the other pool. Then we went to the other pool. And then we went to the other pool. And then we went to the other pool.
Alright. Cool.
No, because we went to the pool, and then we went to the other pool, and then we went to the other pool, and then what other pool?
Okay, everybody's not funny. It's not funny now.
Oh, I have another thing to say. No.
No, we're not doing them dumb knock jokes.
No.
It's not.
Okay. The other best thing I did was go to Niagara Falls. The best thing I did on the ferry. Bro.
Anything else, y'all?
My favorite thing was when we was doing the cartwheels too. I did.
You meant handstands? My favorite one when we went on a ferry.
You just gonna repeat everything Judah say, huh, Twitter?
No.
Yeah, Twitter. Where'd you go?
Cotton candy.
Alright. Alright, disappear.